Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to fix no sound error on your iPhone or iOS device. Guys, if you are facing this problem, so keep watching this video until the end. So guys, first of all, make sure check your volume of your iPhone. Increase volume up button. So guys, after that, your iPhone is silent or not. Make sure your silent is off. You can see, check once time, and after that, so simply open setting application and tap on Bluetooth and make sure your Bluetooth and connected any kind of device. So simply turn off from here and go back from here, and now scroll down and tap on general. Hey guys, and now tap on software update. Make sure your device up to date on latest version, and after that simply go back and see the next solution. Scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. Always tap on reset all setting. So guys, enter your iPhone passcode. Don't worry, don't lose any kind of data. So guys, once time you will reset all setting, so your problem will be solved if any kind of glitch available on your iPhone. So guys, once time with the teeth small bush, clean this area. You can see appears on screen. After cleaning this area, your problem will be solved if any kind of dust is available in this space. So guys, after that, check once time your do not disturb is on, so turn off do not disturb. So guys, after all the setting, your problem if not solved, so guys, go to Apple store for repairing of your iPhone problem. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video.